Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our today's class, we will be solving these 6 quadratic equations and we will be using completing square for it. So let's just move towards the very first question that we have. Question number 1. So always remember, whenever you are trying to solve quadratic equation using completing square, so you have to make that x square like without any coefficient. Like you have to remove whatever the coefficient is over there, you have to just like remove it, okay? So for this one, what I will do, I will divide both sides with the 3. So if I do this, I will get x square plus 8x plus 4 equals to 0, right? So now what is the second step that I will do? I will move 4 to the other side. So it will convert into negative 4. After that, what I need to take, I will take this 8 divided by the 2. It becomes 4, right? And then I will square it. After squaring it, I will add it on both sides of equation. So this is the method we will be following for all of the questions. So make sure you properly remember it, okay? Plus 4 square equals to minus 4 plus 4 square. This will convert, as you can see, there's a square and there's a square over there as well. So we will complete the square for this one, which will become x plus 4 whole square equals to minus 4 plus 16, right? So now it will become x plus 4. I will take radical on both sides. For this one, it will become 12 radical, right? And if I further simplify it, I will get x, let me just put it over here. I'll get x plus 4 equals to radical 12. So x is equivalent to plus minus radical 12 minus 4. So one time I will write it down as x equals to radical 12 minus 4, and one time I will put it as x equals to minus 12 minus 4. So this is going to be the solution of the first quadratic equation that I've got. Now after that, I will be moving towards the second question real quick. This is already y minus 5 whole square equals to 29, right? So for this one, I will just simply take radical on both sides. Y minus 5 whole square equals to radical 29, and it will convert it into y minus 5 equals to plus minus radical 29, right? So now if I further simplify it, it will become y equals to plus 29 plus 5 and y equals to minus radical 29 plus 5. So these two are the solution of the second question that we have got. Now after that, I will be moving towards the third question real quick. So for this one, as we can see, there's no coefficient for the first term, so simply I can just like solve it. Minus 6x, I will move 16 to the other side, it will become positive 16, right? So now the same process, I will take this 6 divided by the 2, it becomes 3, and then I will square it, right? After squaring it, I will add that value on both sides of equation. So a square minus 6x plus 3 square equals to 16 plus 3 square, right? So now as I've got squares with the a and the 3 over here, so it will convert into a minus 3 whole square equals to 16 plus 9, right? So 16 plus 9 is equivalent to 25. So a minus 3 whole square equals to 25. So I will take radical on both sides, okay? So it will convert into a minus 3 equals to plus minus 5. So one time I will put it as a minus 3 equals to 5. So a is equivalent to 5 plus 3 and a equals to 8, right? So this is going to be the first solution. And for the second solution, let me just put it over there as well. I will put a minus 3 equals to minus 5, okay? Because one time it's going to be plus and one time it's going to be minus, right? So a is equivalent to minus 5 plus 3 and a equals to minus 2. These two are the solutions, all right? So now guys, let's just solve this question 4. So for this one, I will be doing the same exact process. So g square plus 4g, I will move this 7 to the other side and it will be converted into the positive 7. Now I will take this 4 and divide it by the 2, which is 2, and then I will square it, okay? So g square plus 4g plus 2 square, okay, for this one, and also for 7 plus 2 square. All right. So for this one, I will just close the bracket. So g plus 2 whole square equals to 7 plus 4, right? And then it will become 11. So g plus 2 whole square equals to 11, right? I will take radical on both sides. So g plus 2 whole square equals to radical 11. So now one time I will put it as g equals to plus minus radical 11. I'll put it with the minus 2. And one time I will put it as plus radical 11 minus 2. And one time I will write it down as g equals to minus radical 11 minus 2. So that's the solution for the question number 4. Let's just move towards the fifth question real quick. So for this one, I will be performing the same exact operation again. Simply, I will move 13 to the other side. Plus 14d equals to negative 13. I will take this 14 and divide it by the 2, which is 7. And then I will square it, okay? So d square plus 14d plus 7 square equals to minus 13 plus 7 square. So now I will close the bracket. D plus 7 whole square equals to minus 13 plus 49, right? So minus 13 plus 49 is equivalent to 36. So d plus 7 whole square. Now I will take radical on both sides, and it will become d plus 7 equals to plus minus 6, right? So one time I will put it as a positive number, and one time I will put it as a negative number. So one time I will give it 6, and one time d plus 7 equals to minus 6. So d is equivalent to 6 minus 7, and d is equivalent to negative 1. For this one, d equals to minus 6 minus 7, and d equals to minus 13. So now I'm left with the last question. So let's just solve it real quick. Which is e square plus 14e minus 15. Same operation again. I'll move 15 to the other side, and it will convert into a positive 15 number, right? I will take this 14 divided by the 2. It will become 7, and then I will square it. So now after squaring it, I will add it on both sides of equation. So e square plus 14e plus 7 square, and then 15 plus 7 square. So now I will close the bracket. E plus 7 whole square equals to 15 plus 49. All right. So now let's just simplify it further. Whole square is equivalent to 15 plus 49, right? So 15 plus 49 is equivalent to 64. Now after that, I will take radical on both sides. So radical e plus 7 whole square is radical 64. So it will become e plus 7 equals to plus minus 8, right? So one time I will do it as e plus 7 equals to 8, and one time I will do it at as e plus 7 is equivalent to minus 8. So this one is equivalent to 8 minus 7 is equivalent to minus 8 minus 7. So e is equivalent to 1 for this one, and for this one e is equivalent to minus 15. So this was all from our today's class. I solved 6 questions in front of you. I hope you understood all of those questions. If you like the video, I will be requesting you to please subscribe my YouTube channel so you can see more videos coming, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.